Now let us see the design of simply supported beam. Here let us give the file name as design of simply supported beam. You can browse it and save wherever you want. Choose the units as metric, create. This is the beam we have to design. So let us first, this is the sequence we need to follow. Geometry, properties, materials, supports, loading, analysis and design. So in geometry, let us try to create first the beam. So here, wherever the supports are there, we have to create the nodes over there. So here one support is there at 9 meters, another support is located 2 ends because this is simply supported beam. So initially, first point is 0 and the second point in x direction is 9. So you can see two nodes are created here. So let us add the beam. So this is the option in geometry tab, beam panel, add beam option. You click on once on that node, click once on this node. So this is 2D beam, 2D diagram. Let us see that in front view and continue analysis. Go to properties. We have to join geometry part. We have just created the beam. In properties, we have to give the cross-sectional dimensions. So we have to choose the standard, prismatic. So in some versions, it may be mentioned as define. So define or prismatic, we have to choose. Choose the rectangle. YD is 0.3 meter. I am giving ZD 0.45. 300 by, so that is 450 by 300 meter. Close. So this has to be assigned to this beam. So choose the section we have created, assign to view, assign yes. So it was assigned showing in red color. So go to materials. You have to choose it as a concrete because you are designing concrete beam. Assign to view, assign yes. So assign to view is something which selects everything on this window. So it's the only one beam. So I am choosing this assign to view. Okay, let us go to, no need to change the specifications. Go to supports. It is create a support. So first simply supported beam, one end is pinned. Select, add support to, there is a pin end we have created. Use cursor to assign, choose assign and place it here. Create one more support. So that is roller support. It is roller support is not directly available. Choose fixed but which can be customized. So you have to release all the forces and moments except Fy because this is having only vertical reaction. Add. So support 3. Use cursor to assign. So here you have to place it. So we have created the supports of the simply supported beam now. So go to loading. Go to load case details. Add. So initially we have to give the name as dead load. Change the title as dead load. Add or enter. Next choose live load, add it as live load. Change the name as live load, add close. Choose the dead load here, add. So we have just given names, now we are giving the magnitudes. So initially this is mentioned as self weight in y direction factor -1, that is fine, add, close. And you can see below the dead load we have just created the self weight but not yet assigned, so it is showing red color question mark. So select that, assign to view, assign yes. Now choose the live load, add. So these are the live loads we have to add. So one concentrated load here, another UDL here, one more concentrated load here. So let us first add this concentrated load which is having magnitude 3 kilonewton at the distance 2 meter from the left support. So choose here in this list member load we have to select concentrated force. So P this is -3 kilonewton and the distance 2 meter from this. So D1 it is mentioned from the support, left support to the load. So this is 2 meter, load is 3 kilonewton. -3 because it is acting downward. Add. So you can again add one more load here itself. This is uniformly distributed load. Choose here uniform force and magnitude is 2 kilonewton per meter. Choose -2 because it is acting downwards. minus 2 kilonewton per meter. And you can see this D1 is from the left support to the beginning of the UDL. D2 is from the beginning to the end of the UDL. So D1 here is here. This distance would be D1, that is 2 plus 1, 3 meter. D2 we have to see. So D2 is from the beginning, left support to the end of the UDL. So that is 2 plus 1 plus 3. That is 6 meter. 6 meter, add, sorry, one more load is here. Concentrated load 5 kilonewton. And it is at the distance 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2. That is 6 plus 5, 11, 3 plus 5, 8 meters from the left support. So give concentrated force, magnitude minus 5. D1 is plus 8 meters. 8 meters. That's it. Add close. So this is the only beam we have. So all these question marks indicate that these loads are not yet assigned. So choose each load, assign to view, assign yes. Choose this load, assign to view, assign yes. Choose this load, assign to view, assign yes. And if you want to see the loading diagram, this is the option. Right click on this, labels. If you want to see the load values, click on that, apply. Okay. Now you can see how the loads are applied. So let us now choose the load allocate details, and we have to add one more load, which is the load combinations. So define combinations. So factor of safety for concrete is 1.5. Now shift the loads here, add, close. So after loading, next part is analysis. Choose analysis commands over here, select all to be analyzed, add, close. Pre-analysis commands, define commands, all, add, close. Choose post-analysis commands, define commands. Here we have to shift all these three loads here, add. Choose analysis results, that will give you complete results whatever we want, close. Now run analysis, save the structure. So 0 errors, done. Let us choose, let us go for design part. Design, you are going for concrete design, choose concrete here. And don't forget to choose the code as IS 456, Indian code we are using. Define parameters, and here we have to choose FC. Is a grade, characteristic strength of concrete 20,000 M20 grade we are giving 20,000 kilonewton per meter square. And FY main, grade of main reinforcement 415000 kilonewton per meter square. And FY secondary 415000 kilonewton per meter square. Add maximum main reinforcement, we are giving it as 20 mm. Add maximum secondary reinforcement, it is mentioned in your observation, I think 12 mm. Minimum secondary reinforcement, we are providing 12 mm. And close. So you can see all the question marks over here. It is the indication that it is not yet assigned. Select each of that, go to assign to view, assign yes. Choose this, assign to view, assign yes. Similarly, all. Choose this, assign to view, assign yes. This, assign to view, assign yes. And this, assign to view, assign yes. So now we have to give commands. Design beam, add, take off, add, close. Choose design beam, assign to view because there is only one beam. Yes. Now you can go to run analysis again. So initial run analysis is after giving analysis commands. So now we are running analysis after giving design parameters. Done. So let us choose, okay. Just double click on that. You can see the geometry, all details, property, whatever the property you have given, initially loading, shear bending deflection, concrete design. You can see the reinforcement details over here. Property. So you can see all the concrete design details. What are the load you have given according to the grade. And there is the reinforcement. So similarly, you can do all kinds of beams like cantilever beam, continuous beam. For continuous beam, you have to create the nodes as how many supports are there. And remaining process of giving loads and analysis is similar to this simply supported beam. Thank you.